Good morning, everyone. We're here in the hamlet of Bushnellsville in the town of Shandaken in the Catskills to visit a waterfall named Bushnellsville's Falls. Bushnellville's Fall. Bushnellville. Bushnellsville's Falls. All right, let's take pictures. All right, we're at the top of the falls. I see a little waterfall up ahead, so let's keep going. So there it is, another mini waterfall. I think I'm done taking pictures of the waterfall. Let's make our way back down. Bushnellsville's Falls is a roadside waterfall just about 3 miles north of the hamlet of Bushnellsville in the town of Shandaken in the Catskills. It's a 40-foot waterfall at the foot of Halkett Mountain, which at 3,500 feet is the shortest of the 32 peaks in the Catskills that are above 3,500 feet. It's close to Phoenicia, which is where Main Street of this region is. On the way back, we're going to make a detour into Main Street in Phoenicia. See what it's like. We're going to make a slight detour to the town of Phoenicia. main street in the town of Phoenicia. Looks pretty nice. Worth a visit someday, maybe.